With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says a truck of mass 10 metric ton runs at 3 meter per second along a level track and collide with a loaded truck of mass 20 metric ton standing at rest. If the trucks couple together, the common speed after the collision is. Now in this question, a collision is taking place between a truck of mass 10 metric ton and another truck of mass 20 metric ton. Now let us consider this is the 10 metric ton is moving with 3 meter per second. Now another truck is at rest of mass 20 metric ton and it is at rest, so the velocity is 0 meter per second. Now this is the condition before collision. Now the collision takes place in between both of these trucks, so this is the condition after the collision. So they combine together and move with a constant speed, and they both move with the same speed. So let us consider this is speed to be v, and we have to find the velocity of this coupled truck. So we have to find the value of v. Now the mass will be, this have mass 10 metric ton and this have mass 20 metric ton, so the total mass will be equal to 30 metric ton. Now for finding the value of v, we can apply the conservation of momentum. So by conservation of momentum. Now why we are applying the conservation of momentum? Since there is no external forces acting in this situation, so the momentum for this system will remains always conserved. So we can apply the conservation of momentum. So the P initial, which is the initial momentum, will be equal to P final. Now let us solve it further. The value of P initial will be equal to this mass into the velocity, so 10 into 3 plus this mass into velocity, which is 20 into 0, so this will be equal to 30. Now P final will be equal to this mass into its velocity, this will be equal to 30 into v, so this will be equal to 30 v. Now we know by conservation of momentum, initial momentum will be equal to final momentum. So initial momentum is 30 and final momentum is 30 v. So the value of v will be equal to 1 meter per second. It means this coupled truck is moving with the velocity of 1 meter per second after the collision. So option A, which says the velocity is 1 meter per second, is the correct answer for this question.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.